Hello, Pierce College students. So the question is, how do I find my assignments? To find any assignment for our courses, the first thing that we should do is to click on that course. So here, I click on LAPC ESL Tutors as one of my courses. And then in this list, on the left side, I should find assignments. It is, in this case, it's under Home, the second one. I click on it. And then I can see the list of assignments that I have. Usually, we should do upcoming assignments. So those are the assignments that we do. But here for test, I click on any of them. So I click on Paper Unit 1. What I see when I click on the assignments is, so there is a due date for the assignments. There's a number of points that it has. And the submitting here is a file upload. So it means I should upload a file. Some assignments also give you like a box that you can write into or submit your assignment directly like you do in discussions. But in this case, we should upload some files. So first of all, we need to, here it's an essay writing prompt. So I need to read the prompt carefully to understand what my professor wants me to do. And then here are what I need to upload. So pick a picture of 2 drafts. So there's a first draft, second draft that I should submit. So here I click on submit. And then I need to submit it. So how do I submit it? I need to choose a file. So I should have a photo or a file of my assignment. And then click on choose file. And then find my assignment. In case I have it in documents and this is my assignment. So I click on it and then it is here, uploaded. If I need the second photo or file, then I have to click on add another file and then choose file to find it in my computer. And let's imagine the second file, I have it here in one of my folders in the computer. Click on it and then it's here. And then you can add the next one as we did. And then if you want to write a comment to your professor, adding to this assignment here, you can write a comment. And at the end, all you need to do is click on Submit Assignment. So, and then if I want to go back to Dashboard, I can click on Dashboard on the left side. Or if I have other assignments to do for this course, then I can click on Assignments. In this case, I leave, and then I can do the rest of assignments like we did this one. Thank you.